How the holidays can help you clear some karma. So I know we're in the holiday season right now. This is a time that can bring up a lot of emotion for people. It's one of those times of year. It's supposed to be this happy time and wonderful time, but as we know, this can bring up a lot of stress and distress for people. It's one of those times of year that you're seeing maybe some family members or people you haven't seen in a long period of time that trigger you, or certain people get some depressed, or maybe you're alone, or people have passed away. There's a lot of different emotions that are going to be coming up around this time of year. This is a wonderful time, actually, believe it or not, to deal with and clear some of the old energy that you may still be holding on to before we get into the new year. So this would be a wonderful opportunity for you to really do that. What I want to ask you to do is just be very cognizant of what emotions and feelings are coming up for you right now as you're going forward and as you're moving through the season. Are you stressed? Are you worried about seeing certain people? Are certain people that you do see them, are they triggering you off? Are these feelings coming up that you never resolved, that you never worked through? Be aware of what you're feeling. So here's the key. What am I feeling? Identify what that feeling is. Don't project the energy and negativity out onto others. Sit quietly and say, wow, I'm still feeling this animosity, or I'm still feeling this feeling toward this person or situation. It's time for me to really work on this and resolve it so I can move my life forward in a positive way. Like I said, the holidays are an emotional time of year for many people, and this is a great opportunity. So see it as an opportunity. So if someone annoys you, I want you to know that please thank that person, because they helped you bring something into your awareness that you needed to clear out. So have a great holiday and continue your journey to ascension.